Dry laid is nothing more than having the two stones fit tightly together. Define tightly. It could be a paper joint. It could be a joint that I can fit my pinky through. It can vary depending upon what the stone is. And it, again, requires a lot more trimming. So before I completely have it come apart, it's cracked there. And so with very little effort, it's come across. So, you know, I got one side to trim, but I couldn't get the other side to trim. But again, these are things that are normal and that I expect to happen. I want to get somewhere around 3/8 of an inch. So I've already keyed it in. Now I'm just adding some thickness to it. And then I'm putting the stone down. I'm moving it 1.5 inches, right and left, up and down if possible.